যদি ডানাওয়ালা পাখি হতাম, ও ওই মদিনা দেখার জন্য উড়ে যেতাম। If I were a winged bird, I would fly to see Medina. Hey, I saw with my heart, with my two eyes, the King of Heaven, my prophet, Kamli Wala, the King of Paradise, my prophet, Kamli Wala. If I were a bird with wings, I would fly to Medina to see it. I would fly to Medina to see who has kept it in the chamber of my mind. Who has kept it in the chamber of my mind? Malik as-sama nabil masajid, Malik as-sama nabil masajid. Oh my merciful prophet, the prophet of my love, the prophet of my ummah, the prophet of my beloved, the prophet of my beloved. I saw the merciful prophet with a full heart. I saw the beloved prophet of mine. Oh my father Adam, when he fell into trial, Allah accepted him by the grace of my prophet. O Ummah of my father, when he fell into trial, God accepted him by the grace of the prophet. Malik al-Alam huwa Nabi Kamli ul-Ara. Malik al-Alam huwa Nabi Kamli ul-Ara. And in the chamber of my mind, I have kept it, and deep within my heart, I have kept it. The King of the world is my prophet, Kamli Wala Re. The King of Heaven, my prophet, Kamli Wala. Only God knows why I love the name of my prophet so much, my ray of light. I love the blessings and peace of the prophet even more. Why I love the name of my prophet so much, that is why I remember the blessings and peace throughout the day. I love the Prophet's Mawlid al-Qiyam even more. I love the words of Allah prayer. All say Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin Nabi, may peace and blessing be upon him. I love the Prophet's Mawlid al-Qiyam